Hey Danny, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I had the privilege of speaking with Rebecca, who thought you'd be interested in this video I'm about to show you. So we're just going to go over a few tips today that you can apply right away so that you can have more visibility online and start getting more of those organic leads. So as you can see, we are on your website. You have a nice looking website. Looks like each of your services have their own individual page. That's perfect. That's exactly what you need. Okay. Looks like you have quite a bit of content, which is perfect. Okay. That's good. Testimonials are always helpful. This is really good. When it comes to ranking websites, content is key. So it is very important that you have more content than your competitors, and that each of your services have their own page. Looks like you have a pretty wide service area, so you're going to want to make sure that every one of the cities and the counties that you're servicing, as well as the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex area, that each of them have their own page. If there's any search volume, they need their own page so you can be found in those communities for the services you're offering. You want to make sure that all of your content is focused around your buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords that local people in your community are actively searching for the services that you provide. And I do see an attempt towards the keywords, but I'm not really seeing a whole lot of the keywords or any repetition for you to have local keywords. So Google does like to see a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on the home page, which I think you definitely have covered. But that breaks down to about 150 words for every keyword that you're trying to target. So it's going to be important that you revise the content and make sure you're going after those buyer local intent keywords. Those are the keywords people are actively searching for your services. They may not know the name of your company, but they know the service that they need. When their basements flood every winter, when they have those emergencies, those are the type of searches that they're going to be searching. So you want to make sure that you're focusing your content around those, not just for your home page, but for all your pages. Google indexes your website based on content, and they go through every single one of your pages and pull your content and keywords so that they can rank you for those keywords and put you in front of your customers. This is your top competitor in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. As you can see, they also have a separate page for each of their services. They're going after the keywords. Okay. They have interlinking on their pages for their services. You definitely have them be on content, which is good because you do need more content than your competitors. But you can see they also have a separate page for each of the cities that they service. So you're definitely going to need to add a bunch more pages and have different content for each of those pages focused on the keywords in those areas. This is a program called Ahrefs that helps us to analyze how your website is performing. As you can see, you have a rating of a 2.9 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which means that Google does not have much trust in your website, And that's 100% because of your referring domains and backlinks. So you have 200 backlinks and only a 2.9, which means that majority of these backlinks are either no follow backlinks, are completely unrelated to your services, or are spammy. So not all backlinks are created equal, and it is going to be important that you go and get those high authority backlinks and that you get more of them than your top competitors. Although you have a lot of content, because there hasn't been any real focus on your keywords, you're only being indexed for 10, and so you're getting 0 traffic to your website per month. Now, 70% of your organic traffic does come from your website, so it is important to get your website fully optimized. When we look at your competitor, they have a score of a 39 with over 4,600 backlinks. So what this tells you is how important those backlinks are. And you're going to need more backlinks and also higher quality backlinks. Because they have a lot more pages, they have more content, and so they're being indexed for over 2,300 keywords, and they're getting over 2,700 people to their website every month. So this kind of shows you the type of volume that you're missing out on by not having that website optimized. Now, what a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant this website is to your industry and services, the more authority it's going to give you and the more power to help you rank. It's going to be important that they are do follow backlinks so that they share the power of those high ranking sites to help you rank faster. And also important that these backlinks are tied to your keywords so that you can rank higher for those keywords and be found for your services in each of your service areas. The last thing we want to go over is this Google Map Pack or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in this top 3 section for all of your relevant keywords in each of your service areas, because 30% of people come directly to this maps area and won't go any further. So if you're not in this top 3, you're sending those leads to your competition. Now, there's several factors that play into getting in the top 3, but the most important is something called citations, which is the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yelp, Dex, Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. So you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these steps that I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your services, your service keywords, and service area keywords. So you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I provided you and apply it yourself, which is completely okay. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. If you decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.